Welcome to Like Health. Have you ever heard of prune water as a daily health booster? It might sound simple, but this humble drink is hiding some powerful secrets. For centuries, prunes have been known for their digestive magic, but when soaked in water, they unlock even more surprising benefits. From gut health to natural detox, this drink is gaining serious attention from nutritionists. And no, this isn't just about going to the bathroom. There's actual science behind what prune water does to your body, and the results may surprise you. Whether you're dealing with bloating, fatigue, or just want a natural daily cleanse, this might be exactly what your body needs. So let's break it down. Here are 8 powerful benefits of drinking prune water every day. Benefit number 1. Relieves constipation naturally. Let's start with the most well-known, and for many the most important benefit. Constipation relief. Prune water is rich in sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that acts like a gentle laxative. It draws water into the intestines, softening the stool and making it easier to pass. But here's the cool part. It works without irritating your gut like over-the-counter laxatives often do. You're not just forcing your body to react, you're actually supporting it to function better. It's especially helpful for people with chronic constipation or slow digestion. And the best part? It's totally natural, safe for daily use, and backed by research. No pills, no chemicals, just prunes and water doing their thing. Benefit number 2. Supports healthy digestion. Now that things are moving, let's talk about overall digestion. Prune water doesn't just help you go, it helps you digest better too. It's high in fiber compounds and polyphenol that feed good gut bacteria. This creates a healthier gut environment, which means less bloating, better nutrient absorption, and more balanced digestion. Think of it as a daily tune-up for your digestive system. Plus, the natural compounds in prunes can help reduce inflammation in the gut, which is linked to several digestive disorders. Even if you don't struggle with constipation, prune water can make your digestion feel lighter and more efficient. You might even notice less heaviness after meals. It's a small daily habit that can make a big difference. Benefit number 3. Helps detox your body. Yes, your body has its own detox system, but prune water gives it a serious assist. Packed with antioxidants like phenolic compounds, prune water helps fight off free radicals and oxidative stress. That means it's helping your liver and kidneys do their jobs more efficiently. Think of it as giving your internal filters a daily rinse. Plus, because it helps you stay regular, your body eliminates waste faster, and that's a big deal. Less waste sitting around equals less toxic buildup equals more energy. It's like a gentle natural cleanse without the extreme juice fasts or weird powders. And unlike trendy detox drinks, prune water has actual science to back it up. Your body will thank you, quietly but thoroughly. Benefit number 4. Boosts energy levels naturally. Feeling tired all the time? Your digestion might be stealing your energy. When your gut is sluggish, everything slows down, even how you absorb nutrients. Prune water helps speed things up, and better digestion equals better nutrient delivery. That means more vitamins and minerals actually make it into your system. Also, the natural sugars in prune water give you a gentle energy lift. No crashes, no jitters. It's like nature's version of a small, steady battery boost. Perfect for your morning routine or mid-afternoon slump. Over time, many people report feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized. All from a simple glass of prune water a day. Benefit number 5. Supports heart health. Here's something you probably didn't expect. Prune water is good for your heart. Thanks to its high potassium content, it helps regulate blood pressure naturally. Potassium balances out the effects of sodium, reducing strain on your arteries. That means smoother blood flow and less risk of hypertension. But it gets better. Prune water also contains soluble fiber, which helps lower bad LDL cholesterol. And the antioxidants? They protect your blood vessels from inflammation and damage. So with every sip, you're not just helping your gut, you're caring for your cardiovascular system too. Who knew a sweet little drink could be a heart's best friend? All natural, no meds, just real food doing real work. Benefit number 6. Strengthens bones. This one surprises a lot of people. Prune water may actually strengthen your bones. Prunes are rich in boron, magnesium, and vitamin K, all key nutrients for bone density. Research has even shown that regular prune consumption may help prevent bone loss, especially in postmenopausal women. It's like a quiet ally for your skeleton, working in the background to keep you strong. The antioxidants also reduce bone inflammation, which can support long-term joint health. And because it's gentle on the digestive system, your body can absorb those bone-building minerals more effectively. So you're not just drinking for today, you're drinking for the future of your frame. Healthy bones without supplements? That's a win. Prune water's not playing around, it's working on multiple levels. Benefit number 7. May support weight management. Trying to manage your weight without starving or stressing out? Prune water might help. It's not a magic fat burner, but it does help you feel fuller longer. Thanks to its natural fiber and sorbitol, it slows down digestion and curbs those random snack cravings. Plus, staying regular means less bloating and water retention, so you feel lighter too. Its mild sweetness can also satisfy a sugar craving without wrecking your diet. Unlike sugary drinks or energy bars, prune water gives your body something it can actually use. Better digestion plus steady energy plus less snacking equals a natural assist with weight balance. It's a gentle helper, not a crash diet, and that's what real health is about. Consistency is key, and prune water fits in perfectly. Benefit number 8. May improve skin health. Let's talk glow, because healthy digestion shows up on your skin. When your gut is functioning well and toxins are moving out, your skin benefits too. Prune water's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds help fight oxidative stress, a major cause of skin aging. Less internal stress equals fewer breakouts, reduced puffiness, and more even tone. Plus, better hydration and mineral absorption lead to that healthy, natural glow. You're not just treating your skin from the outside, you're nourishing it from within. And unlike harsh cleanses or pricey serums, this approach is gentle, affordable, and natural. It's the kind of skincare routine your body actually loves. Who knew glowing skin could start with a glass of prune water? As you've seen, something as simple as prune water can offer powerful health benefits. From relieving constipation and supporting digestion, to boosting your energy, improving heart health, and even helping your skin glow. It's amazing what this natural drink can do. The key is consistency. One glass a day can truly make a difference over time. It's affordable, easy to make, and backed by real science. Whether you're looking for a natural remedy or just want to feel better overall, prune water is definitely worth adding to your routine. No gimmicks, no fads, just a smart, natural choice for better health. If you found this video helpful or learned something new today, don't forget to like the video. It helps more people discover these simple health tips. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new